Today was an interesting trading day, to say the least. It was crazy. Oh, I hope my computer... Okay, there we go. Oh, we had a Camilo Loves Red Kini from last night. Must have joined after we had already finished, but... Or not last night, yesterday. I'm all over the place. I don't even know if it was night, day, whatever it is. I had a very strange trading day today. I was super confused what ended up happening, but we'll talk about it in a bit. Let's see. I'm going to change the name right now. There we go. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm still watching the charts, even though I'm not trading anymore for today, because today was wild. If anyone traded today and got this long run up, oh my God, they're so lucky. How has everyone's week been? What's everyone been doing? I'm having my coffee this morning. I guess it's not morning anymore, but I didn't get coffee until like 11. This is my second coffee. No one is very chatty today. What is going on? Is everyone having a rough Tuesday? Oh. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I might as well just get into my my trading recap, I guess. Since no one's talking, might as well, right? Quiet people today. I don't know why. Jeff, there you are. I was just saying, everyone's so quiet today. I wanted to do my trading recap from this morning, and I was like, where are my people? There's people here, but no one's saying anything. So I was like, where are the people that chat? How are you? How are you this morning? I'm having my second cup of coffee or glass of coffee, and I wanted to do my trading recap. And it was a insane morning. It actually exhausted me, as I told you already. Better now. Okay, good. I am okay. Crazy trades this morning, but I feel like I'm over it now. I'm over the craziness of it. Cam fan loves red Keeney or blue Keeney today. Insane from trading. Yes. And then power cleaned, so there was just a lot. But calm now, have my coffee now, can think straight now. Oh my gosh, my throat is still... I've been coughing up a storm still. It's been 3 weeks now. Sparkly Keeney. I know, isn't this one really cute? I lost the bottoms to this one, so I'm really sad about it. Because I don't like to mix match colors. I like to have the same bikini on. So I only have the top of this one, unfortunately. It's extremely sad because it was one of my favorite bikinis, and now I can only wear it for the top, but I don't have the bottoms. And the bottoms were really cute too. I'm glad you like it. I like it too. Okay. You could wear black bottom. I know, but I really hate mixing and matching. I know some people love to do that. I like a matching bikini. Yeah, I just can't do it. I've done a stream where I wore this with a black bottom before, but I would never go out and wear it like that just because I like it to match. Oh, thank you. I'm glad you like the glasses. I have to, like, when I wear them, when I am at the computer, I have to wear my glasses or else I kind of go like cross-eyed. Like everything's just a little bit blurry still. Wavy. Hello, I'm doing good. How are you? Spray paint. Oh my gosh. I know, maybe I can find some blue ones somewhere, or I have to figure it out. Or I just have to get rid of this top. Or just wear it like when I'm wearing it here. No, I'm not from Atlanta. I'm from California, King. Born and raised, still here in California. Hi, CJ. King. Oh, wow. Thank you, King. I love the blue. We normally wear red Keeney here. We call it red Keeney, but today I got on the blue one. Well, I wish the bottoms were matching, but I literally just said, King, that I lost the matching bottoms. It was so sad. I don't know when I lost them. I don't know how I lost them. I just have not been able to find them for like 6 months now. Actually, the last time I tried to find them was February. So probably more than 6 months now. Or is that like around 6 months? What is this? Oh, wow. What is followage? I don't have that as like a option. What we do have commands, but I don't know what followage is. What is that for? Hi, lover. Here's a command. Wait. There's a command. Hi, Shoulder. We have lots of commands, but that's just not one of them. I have to make them. So what do people use that one for? Followager. Pharaoh. Oh, I was calling him King. No, lover, you can send a... First of all, do you even follow me? Second, send a sub and then I will take some commands. Oh, you just followed me. Well, I'm glad you love Red Kini, aka Blue Kini today, because we're in blue. Yes, these are from my birthday pics. You remember, CJ. Oh, King, Pharaoh, and Shoulder know each other. Really, Wavy? No way. Shoulder gifted a sub to YOLO and... Oh my gosh, 2 subs, 1 to the channel. Shoulder! Oh my gosh, there goes Raisin. Okay, Shoulder said to blow Lover a kiss since he wants one so much. How sweet. Mwah. That was nice of Shoulder. King Pharaoh and Shoulder said that's my G. Or King Pharaoh said that about Shoulder. Well, King Pharaoh, I'm glad you're here. Shoulder's always here. Wavy, you followed. You love Red Kini, aka Blue Kini. Oh my gosh. King is so similar. You're doing the favorite emoji. Well, one of my favorite, or emotes. One of my favorite emotes. Oh, Shoulder, you're so sweet. We're gonna do my trading recap in a second. I just thought I would jump on a little earlier and like chat and say hi first. You've been following since March 16th. Oh, really? Then how come I haven't seen you in here that much? March? That was a long time ago. Lover said thank you to Shoulder for the kiss. CJ said King is the homie because he's using the skull. Yeah, we love that one here. I also have other emotes that I made, so test them out. Taha, you can subscribe and then you can request things. But you don't get to request things and then maybe you will give a surprise after. Surprise comes first. Yes, King, that's one of them. Taha, still, you can subscribe and then you can request things. Or send a sub, and then you can request. King, I love that emote. That one's one of my favorites. Oh, thank you, Jeff. That's a good one, too. I love those ones. Okay. How are you today? Aw, thank you, CJ. I'm doing okay. Doing all right today. How are you doing? I feel a little dehydrated. Keeps giving you an arrow or error. That's interesting. Maybe refresh. More emotes in store for you. Maybe I'll make some today. After I get off, I'll make some new ones. Maybe I can make some in the blue kini, and then I should make some in different colored kinis. So you can use whichever one. Like we have red kini, then we can do blue kini, we can do pink kini. I'll see what I have, and then I'll make some more. Trading was better today, you heard? if I would have caught the long runner, but I'm a nervous trader still, so I did not catch it, but I will show you right now. I'll put it back on. Look at it. It went up all day long. So if you caught that, it would have been great, but I'll tell you what happened. I did not catch that. And now it's like, it's too late. It needs to come back down and then I can maybe take it back up, but no. You see a delay from when I talk and then what actually comes across? Oh no. Someone let me know if you have that same issue. I'm not sure. You know, the audio is the only thing that I really struggle with when it comes to streaming. I don't know why, but I can never figure out the audio. Remember the other day it was like looping on itself? Booty emotes. Okay, King. I'm going to make those. I'm going to write it down in my notes right now. I'm going to make color bikini emotes. Booty emotes. I think I have one. I wrote it down, so it's right in front of me. So when I get off, I'm going to make some of those. It looks so complicated. I mean, today it just went straight up. So it wasn't that complicated, but because I'm a nervous trader, I did not catch it. It's a little delayed. Okay, that's not good. I will figure that out another day, I guess, because there's really, I don't know what I can do. Or I would do it, I promise. I would try and fix it. I want to maybe put a microphone connected to my computer, and then maybe that would help. Jerry, there you are. Okay, you're not getting a delay. That's good. King and Jeff are getting a little delay, so that's good. At least one person's not. I have to become a little more fearless. Yeah. Well, in a sense, because you're saying, would that be dumb? It depends. It really depends. I don't know. See, that's the thing. I'm still learning, so that's why I'm sharing my journey, and we'll learn together, really. I think I'll show you what happened today and where I could have like held on a little longer, but I always pull my stop up a little bit too close and get stopped out. So that's kind of what happens, which I'm happy I do because I get a little bit of profit here and there, you know, and then I try to keep my losses small. So it is good, but I think I could be doing better, you know? Oh, you're glad I'm sharing it with you. Yay! I'm glad that you're interested and want to see like what I'm interested in. I think that's really sweet. Thanks, Stroller. Oh, thank you, CJ. I'm glad you like my glasses. I wear these just when I'm reading or at like my computer. Sometimes I wear them when I'm on my phone, but not really because I leave them at my computer a lot. So when I have my phone like over on the couch, then I forget to wear them. But if you know, I have a lot of eye issues, so trying to take care of my eyes. Specifically my right eye. It is a pain in my ass. Okay. What is everyone doing this week? Any fun stuff? Oh, you know what? Another thing I wanted to do is go... I wanted to put my lives on TikTok too. I need to download like a thing where I can stream to both at the same time because I made a new TikTok just for my trades. So I think that would be good. You see what I'm saying? Oh no, what did I say? Now I forgot. Work, 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 gym, then more work. Yes. Work, 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 and more work. Okay, yeah. Most of us, that's what the plans are for the week. For me too, except for I also like to take Raisin to the dog park or on a walk, which I should probably do later today because he needs to let his energy out. And I don't know where he went. He's normally just sitting right there, but I see that he is not there. He is not next to me, so I have no clue where he went. Wavy, yay! You've subscribed for the month. Woo! We are we finally have a schedule. We finally have a streaming schedule. I hope everyone's excited about my new streaming schedule. It's 1:15. I came on early today. 1:15 Pacific time every day of the weekday. That is my new thing. And if I don't, I will let you know in the Discord. Like if I have a day where I have a doctor's appointment at that time or I'm not home or something, then I will let you know in the Discord. But other than that, that is the new streaming schedule. And I'm trying to stay consistent with it this time because I really love streaming. I love hanging out with you guys. And I also want to talk about my charts and everything. And so I think it'll be fun. So that's the new streaming schedule. Make sure you're following in the Discord too. And I need to get some gym time. Yes, Scholler. You are right. Health is true wealth. Aw, that is so true. That is very, very true. Great idea. Try to work out at 4. Oh my gosh, you work out at 4:30 a.m., Jeff? That is just crazy. That is a lot. That is very early. I have been going on walks, but I have not been hitting the gym very often, not gonna lie. I'm trying. CJ has been trying to hold me accountable, which I appreciate because I did ask for that. Yes, CJ, I'm so glad to be here every day. And I think I'll be able to keep up with it because I'm trying to get on a better schedule. Yeah. Try early. You try to get to the gym early in the morning, but it's like way easier midday, I feel like. Yeah, when you're already kind of awake. I used to go every single morning as well. And then, yeah, lately it's been like midday is easier for me because by the end of the day, I'm too tired and I'm over it and I just want to like relax. But in the middle of the day, I have a little more energy. In the morning, I'm just a little bit sleepy. I start the day a little late. Yeah, I'm a little laggy in the morning. You have to do what works for you. Yeah. I think you just have to find a time that really feels right. And if it moves, then it moves. You can adjust your schedule here and there. Oh my gosh. Okay. Should I see who's hold you accountable? Me, you gotta work out. Alana, I'm not gonna do it. I am gonna do it. I'm gonna go on my walk with Raisin today, and then maybe I'll do a little workout just to like get a start with that. Oh, Jeff, I plan to stream Monday through Friday at 1:15 p.m. Pacific time. That is what I plan to do. And if I don't, then I will alert the Discord because I feel like the Discord's the easiest way to like alert everyone in one place. So I will alert the Discord if I'm not going to go live at that time. 1:15 p.m. Pacific time. Did I say that? Pacific? Yeah. And I will alert the Discord if I am not planning to that day. And I also alert when I'm going on. So like today, I went on earlier because I was just ready to come on. So if I plan to come on earlier, then I will also do it in the announcements section of the Discord. El Captain loves red kini or blue kini today. How are you? Torturing cherries. Oh, true. True. I did torture some cherries one time on stream, if anyone was here for that. I didn't mean to, but It just kept happening. Shoulder. You know who's not here? Timothy. Where's Timothy? And Nicholas. I'm going to ask them. And Nico. Yeah, Nicholas. Where are the boys at? Oh, and Bad Maddie. Oh yeah, what happened to Vagabond? Is he in the well, he's not in the Discord, I don't think. Dang. Yeah, I don't see Vega's username. Of course I miss Vega. Where is Vega? It's been a while since we've seen Vega. Honestly. Fell off the face of the earth. He did have really good jokes. Dang. Oh, you're gonna talk to him? Where is he? He's not in the Discord. Where do you talk to him? Tell him to follow the Discord so that we can all chat. Send him the link to the Discord. That's what you should really do. At 1 o'clock, then I'm going to do... You just add him as a friend. Okay. At 1 o'clock, I'm going to do my trading recap. I can't say his name right. It's Vega. Vagabond. Is that not right? I don't know. Sounds right to me. Oh, so I made a new Alana Goddess TikTok. Today my account took a... Oh, I'm going to tell you guys in a second. Best to double check. Also reopening. They said that they've had... Okay, I'll tell you what happened today, but in a second. At 1 o'clock exactly. Then we'll start the trading recap. Andrew! Hi! How are you? How's your week going so far? Oh, this person started live trading and they're brand new. There's no way I would live trade. Okay, so I was talking about trading with my friend and like going live and stuff. And I was like, I don't know how he live trades. I would get so nervous because I'm already nervous. And then reading people's comments on like what you should do and when you should do it, that would just stress me out. Scholler, thank you. Let's see. Oops. I'm gonna respond. In the Discord. Oh, there's Raisin. Do you see him? He's back. The papa's back. Yeah. Now he's sitting underneath the desk. Corona, you gotta, for me to do things, you gotta be a subscriber. Then I'll listen to you. You can beg all you want, but you have to subscribe. Scholler, thank you. YOLO, there you are. Hi, YOLO. Cutest dog ever, right? He's so freaking cute. And he's well behaved. You're right, Jeff. He is well behaved. He's a little sweetie, just sitting under the table. Sometimes, though, he'll just start barking and he won't stop. That's the only time where I'm like, Raisin, you're being bad. Wait, what was I going to say? I was going to say something. I forgot. Oh, yeah. Corona. There's also an emote where my tongue's out. So you can go ahead and see that. And you can go to the Discord. And I literally posted a picture yesterday with my tongue out. So you can go to those two things, or you can subscribe. And you will see my tongue. Those are your options right now. Or you can subscribe and I'll do it right now. YOLO, that is so sweet. Thank you. You think I'm glowing today. Okay, I didn't do any makeup. And, yeah, I should probably wash my face and, like, put on lotion, but I haven't even done that yet. So that means a lot to me. Thank you. Maybe it's the water. I'm trying to hydrate. Thank you, Scholler. Yeah, Scholler literally just commented on the picture that I put in the Discord yesterday when I was making my coffee. Because yesterday I was like falling asleep on stream and I was so tired. And I was like, okay, y'all, I gotta go make a coffee. So I posted my coffee once I made it. Now every time I see you in that bikini, I expect you to have a cupcake. Ooh. I know. Hydrated and skin looking fresh. Thank you, YOLO. Yep, I've been trying to drink my water, but I also still have half a coffee here. This is my second cup, though, so I might not finish the whole thing because maybe I've had too much coffee. Who knows? Oh, thank you, CJ. Yeah, you should be able to see them. I do have freckles. We've been up since 6 a.m. Eastern, so I'm tired too. Oh yeah, I've been up for a minute as well. Longer than a minute, but you get what I mean. I've been up for a while. But yeah, 6 a.m. Eastern time is a long time. But it's like the middle of the day. I feel like by the middle of the day, I kind of am a little bit more awake. That's why, that's not the only reason why, but by like 1:15 p.m., I finally have taken a break from like my morning work and doing things and cleaning and trying to just get my life together. So like by 1:15, I'm normally a little bit more settled into my day. So that's why that's why I picked this time to come on and do my streams, because I feel like it's a good time. And it's a good time. Everyone's like awake by this time, even on the East Coast. Maybe their day has settled down a little bit as well. So I feel like it was a good time to stream. You let me know. Also, I'm not like a late night streamer type of person. I'm like a day person. You know what? I'm such a day person, it's actually embarrassing. I'm not a morning person. I literally just cannot be bothered in the morning. And I'm also not a night person. So, oh my god, the day is gonna literally close. Also, the market closes at 1:15, so it's kind of perfect timing. But the market is about to close at like an all-time high, so that's crazy. It's literally pumping right now. Do you see that? Like right here. Crazy. I wish I would have held from right here, right wherever I took it. The first one, I could have held it from over here. That would have been so good. That would have been a beautiful day. But no, I'm a nervous new trader, so that is not what I did today. It's like at an all-time high every week. Sometimes. Sometimes it's going down. I wouldn't say every week, but sometimes. Like a few weeks ago, it was just bouncing back and forth between this one area for like 14 days, just up and down in the same area. I was like waiting for it to break. Wait, what happened, CJ? What did someone do with the pick? Did I miss it? I don't see anything. Oh, are you saying the, oh, like the little anime character? That was really, really cute. I loved that. Okay, it's 1 o'clock. It's 1:01 actually. So I think it's about time I talk about my recap. Shall I? Okay. Tell me if you're ready, because today was a wild one. You're ready. Okay. School is in session. Yeah. Okay. Blue Kini trading recap. And crypto and trading, that's the like section I go into. Okay. We are ready. No, the picture on Discord thumbnail. Oh, you like the thumbnail. Your friend did an awesome job. Oh, taking the picture. Oh, yeah. That was a fun little photo shoot we did. Okay. It was really good, yeah. Okay, so right now I'm in a 15-minute time frame, so each bar is 15 minutes. We'll start with that. So basically the entire day, besides the first 30 minutes, the rest is all basically on an upward climb. So I really wish I would have like stayed patient today, but I didn't. So here's what happened. Let's get into it. Let's open this up. Let's go to a 1 minute just so I can show you exactly what I was actually doing. Oh my god. It's kind of just been like creepily climbing all day, which I don't know. It doesn't give me a good entry point to like come back into it. So what is that? Oh, okay. Anyways, let's open this up as wide as possible. And let me tell you what happened today, because it was crazy. It was not good. Not good. But not terrible. Just not good. Okay. So, remember I told you for my entry point in the morning, what I normally do is I trade the orb, 15-minute orb. Okay, we're ready. Everyone's class is in session. I'm just kidding. Okay. So let's do a rectangle over the first 15 minutes. So as you can see, this was the high. So the blue is like overnight or like before the actual market opens. And then the white is like when it's in market or like at the time of market. Okay. So 15 minutes, that's the high and low. And then we have to go to 45. So right here. Okay. So this is the high and low. This was in the 15 minutes. So actually it's like to there. Right? Okay. So, honestly, this was a bad entry point, but it still sort of followed my criteria of why I would take a trade. So, okay. Let me see what chat's saying. Y'all, you guys are quiet, listening, great students. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, you guys are, of course. But you can also still chat, too. Okay? I'll answer questions. Okay, so that was the first 15 minutes. I waited and I thought, okay, maybe it's on a 5 minute, because sometimes, especially if there's a strong candle, then it will just keep pushing or it'll keep pumping. You're listening. Okay, good. CJ's laughing. You guys are silly. So sometimes it keeps pumping in that direction. So here's what happened. It came out of there. I took the trade and I saw it coming back up. So I just decided maybe I came in a little bit too early, which I was right. So I got a little bit of profit there. I made a little bit right there. It was okay. I was happy with it. I was like, all right, I went in a little early, but I'm glad I got out just in case, which I would have taken this anyways. So this is what I'm learning. These are the things I'm learning here. I probably would have taken this anyways, and I probably would have taken it right here. So I probably would have taken it again, and then it would have came back up anyways. So my system, so that would have been my next entry if I would have waited, because it went back in. Remember, go out, come back in, and then come out again. Then it's normally going in that direction. But today it didn't. So I'm glad I actually was really patient about it for the second entry, even though we're still, I don't know, it's just still not great. So you look really hot as a teacher. Thank you, CJ. Thank you. Okay, so over here, I saw that it started pumping down again. Like there was this really strong candles down. So I was thinking, okay, maybe it's going to reverse on us right here. And I was right, and the direction is going to go down. So that's why I took that one there. I ended up just getting out, again, super small profit, just because I saw that it went hard back up. So then when it came back down again, I just took that out. So I made a little tiny profit. Then I took, so this is where I should have just held. I should have, like, this would have been the perfect spot. Honestly, wait, this would have been the perfect spot right here. That would, and I did take one. Oh, I should have held it. I really should have held it. I don't know why I didn't. I really should have held that. Okay, so that is actually my perfect entry point right there. But I did take a small one there. It was good. I'll tell you what happened. This sounds like all great, right? Like we've only had tiny profits, which is great. I love a tiny profit. I'm here for it because I'm a nervous trader. So I'll take my tiny profits. Here's what happened. So I took my next one here, and you can see I got out there, and then I took a baby one from there to there again. So 2 little profits, and I just kind of made a big box since it was like all one basically. I wish I would have held this. Look where I'd be in profit if I would have just held that. Look what would have happened. If I would have just held that perfect entry point, because it literally meets my criteria and everything, I would have been in so much profit today if I would have just held it and not been so nervous. Orion, you're here and you subscribed. Hi. Oh my God, we just started. I've been on for a little bit, but we just started the review. And I'm about to get to the point where what we talked about earlier, what happened. But anyways, I was just saying, if I would have held this perfect entry point that I had right here, because it meets my criteria where it went above and below, right here, my entry point would be 64.39. That's where I entered. And then I ended up exiting around 64.49, whatever it was. I don't know. You saw all the trades today. Somewhere over there, if I would have just held that and not been so nervous and putting my stop loss so close, I would have been able to be in it this whole time. Anyways, okay, back to what actually happened now, instead of wishful thinking. And okay, so now here's where the mess happened, everybody. We were great. Everything was fine. Tiny little profits. And then here's what happened. And actually, Orion, y'all need to like go follow him. Anyways, he helped me, or Orion. Sorry, I always call you Orion. I don't know why. I feel like that just makes sense in my head when I read it. He helped me make sense of what just happened. So that was it. So I took 4 trades. I thought I took 3, but then I went back to my account and there was just a big mess because I was trading on 3 different accounts, copy trading on 3, right? I was copy trading on 3 accounts, so I didn't even see this one. I completely forgot about it. So I thought I took 3 trades, and I was like, I'm done for the day. Tiny little profit. I'm okay. I'm happy with that. It was like $126, $130 on 3 accounts. So that times 3. I was happy. I was like, that's enough for me. Let's just call it a day because I'm like a little bit too nervous today. And somehow, out of nowhere, I hear like, because my computer sound was on, it was like order entry or something like that. And I was like, what? Because I wasn't even on the charts at this point. I was like, wait, what just happened? So as you can see, there's an arrow right here. It entered me in wherever my sell limit was for this last trade that I took. So as you can see, I must have put a sell right here so that if this one came back down, it would just stop me out at break even. Instead, it took the trade, and it only took it on 2 of my accounts. So I was really confused because I didn't realize that I had that, and it started obviously continuing to go up. So I just put a stop right here, and then I was out everything that I made that day on 2 accounts. Oh, it was so sad. And then I was confused why it didn't happen on the other account. Like, I still am confused by that. I still do not know why it didn't take it on all 3 accounts, because I was copy trading all 3. And like all of these ones were on the other ones, except for this one wasn't, I don't think. That's why I didn't see this on. It was very confusing today. So then that happened, and because I again have no clue how, but this one also, see this blue one? I also don't know where the exit was, because normally there's like that must be the exit. That was the exit. And then there was another one. I don't know why the arrow's not there. That's what I'm really confused about. There was another entry somewhere over here. And then I exited right away because I sent a picture to Orion, and he was like, "You're in profit. Take it right now." And I was like, "Okay." So then I exited there. So that's what happened with these 2 trades. I have no clue why I thought I cleaned it up. Because on the platform, there's a spot where you can, what does copy trading mean? Oh, CJ, okay, good question. I will answer that in just a second. I just wanted to say, I thought I had cleared the order. Like, there's like a spot on, not on this platform, but where I'm actually trading. This just kind of tracks my trades. Where I'm trading, there's a spot that says like clear your orders, or like anything that's on your chart. So I cleared it. I thought I did. So I'm really confused why this happened, but it happened, and it broke me even on those 2 accounts because it just took out all my wins for the day. And then my other account that didn't take this trade is still in profit, like under $200, something like that. So it was a green day in general, which is good. I'm happy about that. I'm not going to complain too much. But I just have to be really, really careful that I clear all my orders once I'm out of everything. I just need to make sure like there's nothing, like a no limit buy or limit order. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, like a limit stop or a limit order, like none of that. I need to make sure all that's cleared. Is there like a place that's just like clear all orders? I don't know. I need to figure that out. But that's what happened today. And your question, what does copy trading mean? I actually learned this from the person I kept saying, Orion Trading. He was, so I only had 1 account, basically. I had 1 account. I was funded on that, on Top Step. And then he was also trading Top Step, and so I started watching him. He had 5 accounts. And basically what copy trading is, if you have multiple accounts, you trade with one of them, but then all the other ones take the exact same trades. So say you make $100 on this one, then you times that by 5 because all of your accounts took the exact same trades. So then you'd make $500. So it's a way to manage your risk instead of taking such a big, like, you know how, like if you see here, it says buy 1. I've scaled down to just buying 1, but you can buy as many as you want. You can buy 15, you know? And I was doing that at first, and I blew accounts because if you take so much and then it goes in the wrong direction, you're going to blow your account. So I learned that from him to, instead of taking so many like lot sizes, I forget what they're called, just like portions. Instead of getting so many on one account, it's better to kind of spread them out over everything. And then at the end of the day, you're making more and you're managing your risk on each account. Oh, and now he's got to go. He's busy. You're the best. For a few more hours. Okay, have fun doing the yard. He's on a tractor right now. Okay, so that's what happened today. Those are my trades today. Obviously, 2 of them were not what I wanted to do, but they happened anyways. Those 2 are not what I had expected. But like I said, if I would have held this one, my actual good entry point here, that would have been so perfect. And look how small my risk was there. Oh, it would have been beautiful. But I guess that's like the learning, is stop bringing my stop loss up so close. I think it's fine maybe if I put it at break even sometimes, but I just get so nervous and I move it up really, really fast and then get stopped out before it actually has the chance to play out. Potter, you can go over to this and do whatever the hell you want. Perfect. So those were my, let's see, 6 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. 7 accidental 3 trades. No, 2 trades. Well, yeah. Potter, where are you going to see me? Are you going to go to the link I sent? In every situation, you either win or learn, but you never lose. You did good. Aw, CJ. That is inspirational. Thank you. Okay, so now let's zoom back out to the 15-minute and see what the whole thing has done. Oh my God. That would have been so beautiful. It's so unfortunate. Oops. It's okay. There's like every day. I feel like what I'm realizing, because sometimes something that I learned, you agree with AJ, every time you learn some, oh, thank you, Jeff. Yeah, I've been learning, and that's the thing too. I feel like every day there's like pretty much a big move every single day, whether it's like up or down, and so there's opportunities every day. It just, I have to be confident enough to take them, and then also like learn enough to notice when they're gonna happen, and then be patient. That's what I need to do, is be patient. So yeah, that's what I need to do. Be patient. But look at this. It's been in an upward trend, even when it does come down. But yeah, there's always a new opportunity. And every single day has proven that. I think when I first started, I thought like, oh my gosh, I'm never going to see one of these like green days ever again. Like I missed it. Like, oh, it's never going to happen. And so I would get kind of, like the next day I would get a little more aggressive with it to try and like make up for not having one of these giant green days, where I think now I'm just being a little bit more, maybe now I'm being a little bit too cautious. So I need to find a middle ground. See, I'm learning. I need to find a middle ground between being cautious enough that I'm not like taking so many lot sizes, but then also letting it play out so that I can catch longer legs of the movement. I think that's what I really need to do. It's easier said than done though, because when you're in it, you're like, come on, like I know I can do better. And like I said, I don't have to pass combines right now. I'm not in any combines, but I do have to meet a certain threshold before I even see like an opportunity to actually make money from it. So that's the learning game, I guess. That's the process. And it is what it is. I'm learning. I'll get there. Everything takes time. But I am enjoying it. I really love it. And I love to watch like the lives on TikTok and like see other people doing it and learn from them. And I don't know. I think it's like, I don't know. I just really love it. I find it really fun. And I'm not really a math person. You would think that someone going into stocks and like day trading would like be really good at math or something like that. But I was never really good at math. But in a way, I guess there's like some sort of like mathematical rhythm that this does. I don't know. I think that's something I have to look into a little more. But either way, I am obsessed with it. It's so fun. Okay, so that was my trades for the day. I would say today was honestly like a C. It wasn't terrible. I think I made the mistake of obviously not clearing my orders after I was done for the day. I should have just made sure everything was clear. But that's something I learned. Oh, I should write that down on my list. Remember? Clear orders at. Okay. You're going to crush it, no doubt. Oh, thank you, CJ. Working on it. What was I going to say? I just like spaced out. I was going to say something about it. I can't remember. I genuinely cannot remember. Dang it. I forgot what I was going to say. What was I going to say? It was something about this. I can't remember now. I've been playing Sudoku too. Maybe I do like numbers. I don't know. I never was great at math, but I did have a really good teacher my sophomore year, I think it was. And she made me like math a little more. And I love Sudoku. Clear your board. Clear my orders, not board. Yeah, I wrote it down on my list. That was one of the things I learned, is I need to clear it. Nicholas, there you are. I did ring. There you are. We were waiting for you. That was like 30 minutes ago. I just finished showing my chart, and you weren't here to tell me how you think it's gambling. I was waiting for you to come and tell me. Yeah, CJ, I forget what I was going to say. You're spot on. It was like right after I was talking about that. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to like rewatch this and then I'm going to remember what I had to say. I'll have to write it down and then tomorrow like tell you what it was, cuz I literally blanked. I don't know what I was going to say. You let it go a few days ago. Well, today was that's what I was going to say. I was going to say I think today was a C. I would say it was a C if I had to rate myself. Like, obviously I made some mistakes by not clearing my orders. But overall, the trades that I did take, I was happy with them, even though I could have held them longer. You like Sudoku too? Yeah, I got a whole book. It's right there. Do you see it? That's the book. And I did like 7 last night. But okay, I'm happy. I think I did a C. It wasn't great, but it wasn't bad. And yesterday I would give myself an F. Yeah, yesterday was a straight up F. But did you win today? Yes. Yes, Nicholas. I would say overall it was a win. You missed some of the craziness that happened, but overall it was a green day. And just in brief, 2 of my accounts were break-even days, and then one of them was a green. So overall, I'm in the green today. You've been doing some cleaning. Okay. I also need to do my laundry actually right after this. I want to go do my bedding. I also have a giant mess right here. You guys can't see it. I'm not even going to show you because it's so bad. But I need to clean that up as well. For some reason, it just accumulates in that side of my office. This part of my room is always clean, but then right over there, it's just a mess. Yesterday was an L for learn. I love that. That's good. So true. Ironically. Wait, what was ironic? What did I miss? What did I miss? My bedding and laundry was a part of my cleaning today. Oh, really? Yeah, I need to do the bedding so bad. I've been saying that I need to do it for at least a week. That's how bad it's been. And I'm just like, keep forgetting to do it. Keep not wanting to. Keep being lazy. I should just do it. I feel like it's the worst part of like any laundry. I don't mind putting laundry in the laundry like basket or like into the laundry machine, but when it comes to the bedding, I don't want to. It's so annoying to take it all off and to put it back on. But I'm going to do it today. Pinky promise. I'm going to send y'all a picture later when it's like all fresh. I'm going to take a picture of it and be like, okay, I did it. I actually did it. Okay, well, Nicholas, I'm sad that you just got here because we've been on for an hour and you've been missing in action cleaning up your place. The Virgo mind of so much to do in very little time. I'm an Aquarius, so I don't know what my issue is. I think it's procrastination. But we've been on for an hour. I'm headed to go do my laundry now. Okay? Today was a C. Reason said, yeah, it was. Oh no, I'm gonna work out too. I'll send you a picture in the Discord. Everyone go to the Discord. There will be lots of pictures later. See for things that you can change. There you go. I like that. Today was a learning day, yes. And it wasn't bad. It was a good day. We're still in the green for today. Obviously, we took a giant L yesterday, so it doesn't make up for yesterday. But a green day is a green day. So yeah, we learned something today, and I'm happy about it. I feel good about it, actually. Just less mistakes than yesterday, so that's good, right? And Friday was so good. Friday was amazing. We need to... Oh, there's Raisin again. We need to get back to how Friday was. It was perfect. So maybe tomorrow will be a really, really good day. We'll see. I'm hoping it will be. Okay. I will talk to you in the Discord, okay? And on Oath, if you are over there. But first, I'm going to go strip my bed of the sheets, okay? First, I'm going to do that, and then I'll be on in like 15 minutes. Okay. Mwah. Another kiss. All right, see y'all tomorrow. Let's make tomorrow an eye for improvement. Yes, let's do it. Take care. I'm so down. Tomorrow is going to be a really good day. We're going to make good decisions. Bye.